humingi ng humingi hanggang makahanap kayo ng anong pwede namin gamitin. And all because we are in this fucking mess. All because gusto ni Martin Romualdez mag-president. Hindi siya makontrol ng presidente natin. Na hindi marunong magdesisyon. Walang decision-making skills at all. Zero. We are wasting time as a country on what we need to do. Putang inang kawawa na tayo.